In this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Bank of Montreal stock, ticker symbol BMO in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, go to the bottom left and press on the magnifying glass icon. Then go to the top and press on the search bar. And then type in, as I mentioned before, ticker symbol BMO for the Bank of Montreal. So the first option here, Bank of Montreal, press on that. Now, if you want to go buy it, press on the bottom, press on buy. Now, if you want to switch from fractional buy to something else, press on fractional buy at the top. And then you can select recurring buy, stop limit buy, fractional buy, or market buy. But we're just going to go ahead and stick with fractional buy for this demonstration. Type in the amount of money you wish to invest into BMO. So I will just do $3 for this demonstration, and then press on continue. And pretty simple, just to confirm your orders, go to the bottom and press on confirm order, and there you go. That is how to buy Bank of Montreal stock, ticker symbol BMO in Canada. I hope this video helped.